Welcome back to school. We are excited to have students back in the building and are looking forward to providing a quality educational experience for all students that focuses on academics, social and emotional well-being, and physical safety. We would like to share a few items of importance prior to the first student days on Thursday and Friday of this week. First, as you know, face masks will be required for in-person learning. Please be sure to have your mask on before you get on the school bus or before you get out of your car if you are dropped off. We are asking that all families pre-screen students before sending them to school each day. This includes taking their temperature and evaluating them for any of the common symptoms of COVID-19. As students enter the building, we will be asking them if they completed their screening at home. They can give us a simple yes, nod, or a thumbs up to indicate that this has been done. Our arrival and dismissal times are staggered this fall to avoid large groups and traffic issues. These times can be found on our website and in the family updates and videos provided.
For families with children at multiple grade levels, you may drop any middle school students off during the middle school times and any elementary students off at elementary times. All others can pull up to the curb in the traffic circle and let the children get out on the passenger side of the vehicle. If your child is unable to get out and walk to the front doors on their own, feel free to park in the lot and walk them to the main entrance. We will have plenty of staff available on the first few days to help students find their way inside and to their classrooms. Please understand that due to distancing requirements, we cannot physically help any child into the building. Please adhere to the staggered arrival times as they are in place to minimize crowding and traffic so that each child can safely enter the building. For dismissal, if you have multiple students in elementary or multiple students in middle school, you may pick them up at the same time. Please communicate any needs like this directly to the classroom teachers. Grades 3 through 8 will be exiting through the front doors, so you may wait in your vehicle by the curb on the traffic circle for them. Grades K to 2 will exit on the gate beside Parkway South. Building access will be limited and take place at the window in the front vestibule. Please call whenever possible.
Busing is provided through SearBus and the routes are similar to previous years. These are posted on our website. SearBus will be following federal transportation guidelines for transporting children to and from school, which includes loading from back to front, one child per seat unless they are siblings, staggering seat placement, sanitizing getting on and off the bus, sanitizing between groups, requiring masks to be worn, and providing proper ventilation. As we begin the 2021 school year in this hybrid model, we would like to convey some expectations that are in place beginning on the first day of school. First, attendance is expected and will be taken each day a hybrid learner is in our building and during any remote sessions scheduled by their teacher on Wednesdays. Remote learners are expected to be joining remotely for every session scheduled by their teacher. Attendance will also be taken for remote learners. Academically, it is expected that students complete and turn in all work assigned by their teacher, whether learning in a hybrid or remote model. Work will be assigned to build on and reinforce in-person lessons and must be completed on remote days and turned in on the next in-person session. Effort and achievement will be measured throughout each trimester and reported on end-of-trimester report cards. Our staff have been busy preparing for the upcoming school year and will use this evening to review some specific items to their classrooms and grade levels. Communication is crucial now more than ever, so if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. We will continue to communicate primarily through email and posting on the BCS website. We want to thank all of our families in advance for your involvement in your child's education. Although we may wish circumstances were different, we will be doing our best to make this school year a success for all. Working together, we can accomplish anything.